Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to be making some glitter bomb slime. This slime is so pretty. I am in love with this. Before I get started, I want to give a lot of credit to the Crafty Girls for giving me this idea, so thank you so much, Crafty Girls, and if you want to see their video, I'll leave it in the links down below. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina, and before we get started, be sure to hit that red subscribe button, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Now on to the video. So for the glitter bomb slime, we're going to start off by pouring some clear glue into a bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and activate the slime. If you want my activator recipe, it'll be in the description box down below. Remember to add this slowly. We do not want a stiff slime. When it gets to this consistency, you can take it out and work it with your hands. This slime turned out really nice. The slime will not be clear right away because of all the air bubbles, so I'm going to keep it in an airtight container for about a week until the bubbles all disappear. Okay, so it's been about 7 days and the slime is all the way clear. So I have picked out some really pretty pink and purple glitters for the slime, but you can use any colors you want. Now I'm going to dump the glitter on top of the slime. So this slime looks so gorgeous, now it's time to poke it. So I don't know what happened, but my video stopped recording, but this is what the slime looks like. Oh my goodness, you guys, this looks so cool. Like, I can't even feel the slime, I just feel the glitter, it's so cool. Now it's time to mix all the glitter in. Whoa, that looks so cool. It's like half glitter, half slime. It looks like the avalanche slime I made just with glitter. I cannot get over how gorgeous this slime is. I have to say, this is officially the prettiest slime I have ever made. I just cannot stop playing with this. This slime is so pretty, you guys. You have to try it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye! See you guys next week.